Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Munna Maschaba.
Hey man, we're live on no journalist. We're taking my let's say No, okay. Maschaba is my wife. Okay. Also from Sexprate.
Yeah.
Okay. Still long time man. I guess I'll say Odinsa. Schedule, ne? Okay, Emana, what's I give at our Giddy better short, if you still remember Screamer, Gemutwell, Clement Westerhoff, Lena Screamer, may they all rest in peace. Rona Fabish, they never change a playing philosophy of Sundowns. If ever the DNA you want to change it, this coach is the first coach to try and maneuver that. But it's gonna be a mission impossible because no I'm fit. Somewhere in south of Gauteng, I don't want to call it Gauteng, somewhere in eastern Transvaal. The trial from Naturena, they are here today. Or they can attempt number 2, but it's a mission impossible, they know. Towards the end of the season, they will be fighting for top 8. They know. So, Stibo, the game, we won 1-0. I'm not happy about the win. We win whatsoever. This is not Sundowns. I think now, Luena White say. We no longer instilling fear to the opponent. And I'm not happy about that. You see, I played Orlando Pirates last week. To play Orlando Pirates, it's one of the scariest games. This is not the first time I'm saying this in your publication. Pirates can do wonders against you. It's like playing AS Roma at home. So, all other teams, now, Adisana Leletswalo, Aditotala Sundowns. Understand? Since Ufita Kados. Understand? But now, Sundowns it can run on autopilot. I think you understand what I mean. Cardoso, whether he's there or not. Those guys, I'm happy Mkulise last week, today. It's one of the engines
of Sundown.
If you know one of these big aircraft, it doesn't have a single engine. Those engines, they know how they were programmed to run this thing. So those guys like Mkulise, they know the philosophy of this team. So we're not scared of the chasers. The only team that will trouble me mental-wise, no. Sekhukhune United and Orlando Pirates. They can give me my sleepless nights. But let me tell you this. Ntona excitabela kamo. Hore untswe Peter Shalulile and then ukenye Reynas. Instead of taking out Matthews. You saw the balls that Reynas is a good player. Don't get me wrong. But he's good certain ways. Lady Bola di Crea. Bola di Crea lang our fat. Shalule could have scored.
Yes.
It reminds me of Couple Cup and Pyramids KF Champions League. But now we're going to the KF Champions League group stages. Those who want to come back door, corner the days for them. And then the thing is, Mudau, I don't know, Kimone on the sidelines. I don't know. I don't care Rotary Mudau. But first game I'm playing St. Oloi Lupopo. Here or in Atteridgeville. I hope it's gonna be here. I hope it's gonna be here. There are reasons for that. Not in Atteridgeville. But the thing is, that guy Ola, Abano killing out. We'll deal with them. We're not scared. We're gonna beat them 4-0. And then we progress. We're gonna play Rulani first game in Algiers. If you remember, Pirates, when it went there, it was hell on earth. But they won 1-0. If you remember. But we're gonna beat this team of DRC. But Stivo, what I can tell you, we are not happy as Sundown supporters. You cannot change a DNA. You have a child, Stivo?
No, not yet.
So it's like a motoro kidney or something. Party sets and a low change. I get out a match. So you cannot just take anything and put in that person. It will never work. So we are shareholders and supporters, good Sundowns. But I think the hierarchy see what's happening. You understand? I don't want Sundowns to lose, but if ever we open the gap of 7-9 points, we can lose the one game so that we can get rid of this guy. You understand? Sundowns can operate on its own without a coach. I think everyone knows, Mudau knows, and then that is why I mentioned about Clement Soto of Lakari. They are resting, and they must rest in peace. You remember Angel Kapal in El Tofi? That combination when you took league, Kaizer Chiefs are smell. You understand? Renka Ganel Tovil Angel Cup. In fact, I'm happy to meet you today, but I'm not happy. But I'm happy Pirates is chasing me with young boys. They don't have an engine. They were trapped in the tunnel in Congo. Do you know that? Then they blame Orne. They spray something in the food. They were punched here. Referee didn't see. Anyone didn't see. But never and that's why they lost in Congo. I have realized sources. What's Mamela Bombule, Wabanage, Lakabizabatu Mbule is a good player, they're well talented. It's one of the girlfriend. I got only 3 guys. Pape Apet, Atolaki Mudau, Yabamusadu Grant. Sometimes, how Bonarua to fall? Wabona Orne, what's again? Se ke senyehile and then a ke itshwarelle mo ke kgone ba le lapa wa bona and then se ke fucked up ale majita news. I understand. So life e ka mogwa o, it's not an environment as such. Ntole la hlula bo andile jalo. You understand? But now we are go rene so le kai wa bona rene e re ke tsella mo then o etsella palasha. Thank you, Steve.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?